Alright, now to reset the oil life, we are going to be using this button here, the car with the eye icon, and I want you to pay attention up here. You'll see things changing. So we're going to push this until it gets to 0% oil life remaining, and then to reset it, we're going to hold down the check mark, and I'm going to hold the camera out here so you can see both what I'm doing here, and you'll see it change up there. So I'm just going to hold this button down, and after a few seconds it should go to 100%. There you go. So that is the oil reset. That is the oil life reset on Chevy Traverse, this 2009 to 2017, I believe. So that's the end of this video. If it was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.